बहुत मन है एक ट्रिप पर जाने का।
कहाँ जाना है बताओ।
आई हैव बीन एमिंग फॉर द हिल। Hey, what's up?
Hey man, how are you?
All well, all well. It's
Bad,
been
bad,
a
bad.
very hectic work week,
बहुत,
bro.
बहुत
मन है एक ट्रिप पर जाने का, but you know the tolls, the petrol, it all costs a lot, and मुझे लगता है कि 2 दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा हो जाएगा।
कहाँ जाना है बताओ।
I've been aiming for the hills. मेरा Lansdowne is the one that I've been aiming at.
Okay, तो चलो चलते हैं। Then what's the problem?
But the cost.
अरे यार टेंशन क्लियर है। I have a perfect solution. चलो let's
Yeah,
go.
चलो। I hope it's enough charged.
Yeah, dude, we have almost 78% of charge. I think we have more than enough charge to go. What's it? Let's push off.
Perfect. Nothing stopping us now.
चलो, let's go.
यार कितना साइलेंट कैबिन है इसका। लाइक आई एम लिटरली अमेज्ड कि नेशनल हाईवे पर हैं हम एंड देयर इज नो साउंड।
Actually, I'll tell you, the damping of this car is really good. Let me just roll down the window once and
Yeah.
hear the noise. So there you go, a lot of wind noise.
Damn.
Once you just put the window up, you see how silent it just cuts you out from
For
the
sure.
outside world.
For sure.
And the smooth ride is because of the suspension setup. बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's very smooth. It's tuned to handle the big battery pack, and
Right.
that's why you get a smooth ride. It's almost like you're on cushions.
Nice. It's like the seat is literally hugging me right now.
Yeah,
I'm so cozy.
So, I mean, they are bucket seats. So I mean, the side bolsters are in such a way that it just keeps the passenger in place. Plus, they are ventilated, so really helpful in climates like we stay in
For
Delhi.
sure. I'll say kudos to the performance right now. I see the design is pretty futuristic. But
Yeah.
मैं पढ़ रहा था यहाँ Harman Kardon तो लिखा है, इसमें speakers कितने हैं?
Yeah, so this is the top of the line. So this has a Harman Kardon. So it has 16 speakers. Can you beat that?
Wow.
It's got everything. It's got 3D sound. Plus you have 3 screens. You can watch podcasts. You can watch YouTube. Plus you have a camera over here that you can also do your video calls from. But
Amazing.
that's not recommended. चलाते चलाते
बिल्कुल।
camera, phone कुछ भी नहीं use करने का.
बिल्कुल।
But overall, feature packed cabin. I must say it's a feature packed car. Let's quickly switch on the lane keep assist. एक notification आएगा. अगर आप वो notification ये बोलेगा that keep your hand on the steering wheel. Just in case if you miss that also, then the car will start beeping. And as you can see, it's taking the turn on its own.
Amazing, pretty high tech.
And the beep that you hear right now, it says keep your hand on the steering wheel, just for a safety alert.
Yeah.
Also, the adaptive cruise control is nice because so there is this feature in this car where the front collision, you have an front emergency braking, right? So उसमें होता ये है कि अगर आप वो ऑफ कर दो, because usually what happens अगर आप सिटी में चला रहे हो, city has a lot of traffic and people crossing suddenly, right?
Agreed.
The ADAS system is so sensitive in this, which is a good thing, that it will brake automatically if it sees something in front of it. So if you switch it off, what will happen? The adaptive cruise control will not work. तो adaptive cruise control ये है कि आपने मान लीजिए 80 पे सेट कर दिया या 100 पे सेट कर दिया.
Okay.
अब आप चल रहे हो. So there are radars and there's a camera right over here.
Yeah.
on top. So that will judge कि सामने वाली गाड़ी, if that car is going on like 80 kilometers an hour, तो होगा ये कि आपका जो आप अगर उस गाड़ी के पीछे रहोगे, so your car will automatically maintain a distance. You can obviously, there's a button over here जिससे आप distance, there are 4 levels of distance that you can maintain.
Oh.
So वहां तक जाके it will be behind that car for, मतलब जब वो कार जैसे 80 पे और आप 100 पे हो, तो आप जैसे ही आप उस गाड़ी के पीछे पहुंचोगे, you will automatically your speed will reduce to 80.
Amazing.
एंड उसमें होगा ये, यू हैव टू कीप योर इमरजेंसी ब्रेकिंग ऑन. अगर आपने वो ऑन नहीं किया, then आपका adaptive cruise control on नहीं होगा. So अगर कुछ सामने आ गया, the car will brake automatically and it will stop. So I mean, safety wise, top notch, I would say, definitely.
Perfect. I wasn't expecting so much in this segment.
So now we have found a charger through the Mahindra app, and we've taken a 15 to 20 minute coffee break over here. So now let's see, it's a 60 kilowatt charger. 15 to 20 minutes will give us a lot of charge. So I'm going inside till the car is charging.
How do you feel the comfort on hilly roads, on the twisties? Tell me
I think पता भी नहीं चल रहा है, to be honestly. It's so smooth and we're just gliding through lovely.
Yeah, the
hills.
suspension is really nice. I think is that what you're saying, because twisties mein usually you have a lot of body roll, but did you feel any body roll in this?
Not
Thoda bahut to hoga hi, because
minor,
it's just a
honestly.
minor body
Yeah,
roll,
yeah.
right? Also, as I mentioned earlier, that इसमें वो hill hold assist features हैं.
Oh, wow.
So
What is that?
So basically, so if you're on a hilly station and like कभी-कभी होता है ना that your cafe and all has a like a steep slope
Yeah.
going up. तो उसमें क्या होता है, if you have a manual car and it does not have hill hold assist, so what happens कि आप ऊपर जाते हो and the car starts rolling back when you accelerate.
Yeah.
So with this, obviously, it holds the car at a place. So it holds until you accelerate, or it actually holds the car for 3 to 5 seconds.
Wow.
And then when you accelerate, you start from the point where you have stopped. Normally, अगर आप accelerate करोगे इसको, तो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, okay, decent power है. But when you hit the boost mode button, so the boost mode gives you a 10-second का additional boost. So what happens if I just hit the boost mode? Just check if I throttle.
Whoa. Damn.
So
Amazing.
So yeah, that's what. So I mean, it is definitely a head turner. देख रहे थे सब लोग देख रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
It's so, as I mentioned, feature loaded, powerful, comfortable. You have all the bells and whistles.
Yeah,
in this car,
all in
so,
one for sure.
It's all in one. So I think it's a very good package, right?
Agreed completely.
So
What a beautiful view, यार.
सही है ना? Nice spot.
Amazing.
So मैंने क्या बोला था? How much did it take? Around $180, right?
That's not even 2 burgers, bro.
Even 2 burgers. So that was really light on the pocket. सिर्फ टोल का ही लगा जो लगा है. And we have enough charge left कि हम लोग वापस भी जा सकते हैं.
Nothing better than
Nothing
that.
better, right? मैंने बोला था it'll be light on the pocket. Overall, I think it was a good trip. Now we can
Explore around.
explore around and then we can head back, and we, as I mentioned, we still have enough charge left.
Yeah.
What say? Now let's go and explore the place.
Sounds
All right?
good. Done.
So Karthik, अब जब हम यहाँ पहुँच ही चुके हैं, do you feel relaxed now?
Absolutely, man. I'm totally recharged. This is exactly what I needed. My week's gonna start on a whole new, refreshed note.